here's your moving vlog. Came here with 3 suitcases each. Current situation.
One problem.
What? We'll get your manliness on camera.
Only reason to come to Ikea. Meatballs! Someone was sneaking them all the way at the back of the shelf.
This is Brucey. I put on my Instagram story last night if you guys wanted to see a moving vlog or a normal gym vlog, and 100% of people said moving vlog. So either you don't really enjoy my gym content or you're just really nosy and you want to see into my life, where I live and where I'm moving to. So here's your moving vlog. Currently, I'm living at my mom's house, but me and Connor are about to move to my dad's house, which I'm so excited for because we are moving to a farm. My dad lives on a farm with little farm animals, and we have a dog, and it's just gonna be out in nature and just like so beautiful. So let's just get packing. When we came here from London, we literally only had like 2 big suitcases and a carry-on suitcase each, and now we have a lot of stuff. How do we accumulate it? I don't know, but we're praying we can do 1 trip. We've got 2 cars and 1 trip. Okay, so we came here with 3 suitcases each. This is our current situation. Suitcase, 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 suitcase. Oh my god, I can't even get it all in. What do you want me to do? Just try and fit all the soft bags in my car?
Yeah, I think just let me pack all this up first and we'll figure out what we've got left.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.
This is the first time Connor has ever owned a ute and he's never used straps before. I'm stressed about my suitcases. I feel like this is the way it always goes. The female is always reading the instructions while the man just has to figure it out and always gets it wrong. How to thread.
One problem.
What? Yeah, but when it's tight, it's
Yeah.
fine. He'll be alright. How many of them do you have? How to thread. I mean, it's very obvious, I'm not gonna lie. You just thread it through and then you release. You done it?
Going anywhere.
Alright, the car is all packed up. It's not actually as full as I thought. And we are off. Welcome to our new home. I wonder if we'll catch the peacocks in the way. We are technically moved in, but I don't know if I'm not going to show you the state right now because we're going to go to Ikea today and then everything's going to look a bit better after Ikea because Ikea is just magic. So let's have a fun day out at Ikea. We'll get your manliness on camera. Okay, so this is where Connor's desk is going to go. Will it fit? Whoa, that's long.
Oh, depth is 110. I think that's going to be a problem.
But is that because it's got a corner thingy? But that's...
I was just going to get level up to that.
Oh, well, obviously.
I just want to make sure there's enough room. There is. It'll be fine.
Yeah, because that's that bit and then it will dip in here.
Yeah.
Meet Brucey.
Sit.
We love him,
Sit.
but he also just gets really excited and he jumps. My outfit is not... Hello. Okay. Oh, Bruce, I love you, but I also don't. Bless Bruce. He's just a little puppy and he just gets so excited. Yeah, look, I love him to death and he is trained, like you can make him easily sit and stay, but he just gets so excited when you start to pat him. Oh my god, I mean, look at him. He's a Kelpie, so he just has so much energy and he just can't contain it. It's actually the cutest thing ever, but also not cute for my, like, white and pink outfit. Thank you for holding Bruce back for me.
Yo!
Connor decided to bring his own measuring tape and now doesn't even know how to use it. I had to tell him that you had to add an extra 0 on because you're looking at mil instead of centimetres.
Leave me alone.
He wanted to bring his own measuring tape because he thought it was more manly.
I need your help. Stop filming. We're on an electric desk.
That's low though.
The max height of that standing one is 85 centimetres. That's 80. That's 80 centimetres now.
Yeah, because that's the same style desk, but just a different size top. So the bottoms will look like that. So see how they slightly adjust it.
Yeah, that's fine. And then that would just go underneath it like that is there.
You're a bit thirsty, are you?
Free orange juice.
What is that? Oh my god, I thought there was going to be something in it.
Oh, like jelly?
Yeah.
The only reason to come to Ikea. Meatballs! Cheers. Oh, that's ugly. Why is it like that?
Yeah, that's it. No.
They're all the same.
That's so ugly.
Right, well there's some great ones over there.
A waffle?
Yeah, as we said, I'm easy.
Is this a bath towel? 70 by 140. Ah.
It's bath towel size.
Is it? Why does it seem so small?
It wasn't. But here's another bath towel.
Yeah, they're all the same size. Oh, that one's so much bigger, but I don't like navy.
Oh, come on.
It's the same size.
Bath sheets. That's what we want. Not a bath towel. Yeah.
Is that bigger?
And of course, I don't have the colour.
Can't win them all, Riley.
Someone was sneaking them all the way at the back of the shelf. So we found 2 of the big ones.
We'll get a hand towel.
Yep.
Do you need a washcloth? Like this size?
Yeah.
For what?
I don't know, you just asked me if I needed one, I just thought I'd say
I
yes.
just have it to like dry my face, but I want to have my own face one that people don't touch.
Cool.
Do you want one of those?
Yes. I probably won't ever use it, but...
And $3. If you ever wanted to see 2 people make things the most complicated version it ever could be, it's us right now. I can't figure out how to tie this in.
It's just not going to go.
Like this is loose and then that can't go through there.
What does it look like on that side?
Can't get this tight because that doesn't want to. I mean, that will hold it, but then this. Just
Yeah, it's not tied on.
Yeah, that just doesn't.
What if you like somehow loop it around that bit?
Like, strap it around itself. Scratching my paint up. Like.
Yeah, but the whole thing's scratched. If you really care about it, you can get it repainted. Look, I mean, I highly doubt that's going anywhere.
Yeah, I think that's fine. Just the one. Do you know why? Because I've done it back to front.
I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, we've officially moved in and it's been a few days of work. So I'll give you a little tour. There's still lots of little bits and pieces to get, but just so you can have an overall view of everything. This is our little section of the house. We have our kitchen. It's looking very empty. We need some sort of decoration, I feel. And this is, well, our little dining room table. Cute. And yes, we have a giant pool table in the middle, which at the moment I have decided is my puzzle table because nobody in my family plays pool. So it's pretty much never really used. Our little lounge room area, we still have a bunch of stuff over there that we need to deal with. And then this is our little bedroom. It's very cute. I need to deal with the pillow situation. I need to get some covers that match this, but this is our beautiful brand new bed. It's so comfortable, and yeah, we still need to deal a little bit with the wardrobe situation because it's just it's not super organized and I want it to be very organized. Pretty little view over the valley. You can see through there. It's so gorgeous, and the sunset's over there. It's beautiful. Should we go and get one last little glimpse of Brucey before we end the video? Brucey! Brucey boy! Hi baby, you gonna sit? Hello! You want to say hello to the people? That's so cute. This is Brucey. Hello. He is a working dog, so he doesn't come inside the house because we do have cows, sheep, chickens, and peacocks here. How fun! Anyway, that's all we have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed coming on the move. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you up next week.